Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for Class 2 Science Olympiad. And in Class 2 Science Olympiad, which chapter we are going to read? We are going to continue the chapter that is food. So in our previous session, we have already discussed some questions of this chapter. And in our today's session, we are going to discuss some more questions of this chapter. So are you all ready for it? Yes. So let's get started. Our first question, which one of the following is correct? Options are A. Proper gaps between meals help us to digest the food. B. We should eat healthy food. C. We should chew food properly. D. All the above. So, which one of the following is correct? Okay. So proper gaps between meals help us to digest the food. Yes, this one is correct. We should keep proper gaps. Okay. Some means the gap of some hours should be there so that the food will completely digested. Got it? Then we should eat healthy food. Yes, we should eat healthy food. We should chew food properly. Yes, this one is also correct. If we chew food properly, then it will help the easy digestion of the food. Okay. So here all the above are correct. So correct answer is option D, that is all the above. Coming to the next question. If you are eating cauliflower, then which part of the plant are you eating? Options are A. Stem, B. Flower, C. Roots, D. Leaves. So, in the question it is asked, if you are eating cauliflower, then which part of the plant are you eating? So, which part are we eating in cauliflower? Can you say? If you know the answer, you can write in the comment section. So, here the correct answer is option B, flower. We are eating the flower. Okay. Coming to the next question. Food given in Gurudwara is called. Options are A. Brunch, B. Snacks, C. Langar, D. Junk food. So it is asked, food given in Gurudwara is called what? So have you ever been to Gurudwara or have you taken whatever meal they are giving there? Yes. So yes, it is known as langar. Okay, so correct answer is option C, that is the langar. So coming to the next question, chapati can be made from. Options are A. Rice, B. Wheat, C. Maize, D. All the above. So chapati can be made from. Yes, chapati can be made from rice. It can also be made from wheat, and it can also be made from maize. So here the correct answer is option D. All the above. We can prepare chapati from rice, wheat, and maize. Okay, coming to the excuse me. Coming to the next question, which one of the following groups consists of only roots? Options are A. Radish, turnip, carrot, wheat. B. Sweet potato, carrot, radish, kern. C. Carrot, radish, turnip, sweet potato. D. Carrot, radish, cabbage, turnip. So, in the question it is asked, which one of the following group consists of only roots? So, carrot, radish, turnip, sweet potato, they consist of, they are the roots. Okay. So, here the correct answer is option C. Coming to the next question, fruits and vegetables. Options are A. Help us in falling sick. B. Protect us from diseases. C. Do not help us to grow. D. Are complete foods. So, fruits and vegetables, they protect us from diseases. That's why they are also known as protective. Okay, and these fruits and vegetables, they contain vitamins and minerals. Okay, so here the correct answer is option B. Coming to the next question, which one of the following is an example of fatty foods? Options are A. Ghee, B. Salad, C. Butter, D. Both, and C. So we have to find out which one of the following is an example of fatty foods. So ghee, it contains fat. Salad, no. Butter also contains fat. Okay, as ghee, butter, both are containing fat, so we call them as fatty foods. So correct answer is option D, that is both A and C. Coming to the next question, dash is known as complete food. Options are A, egg, B, milk, C, fish, D, meat. So, which of the following is known as complete food? Do you know the answer? Yes, if you know the answer, you can write in the comment section. So, it is milk. So, milk is known as the complete food. Okay, it is required for the babies, for the adults, for the old people. Okay, so correct answer is option B, that is milk. Coming to the next question, which one of the following mainly helps us help our body to grow and our muscles to become strong? Options are A, bodybuilding food, B, energy giving food, C, protective food, D, stale food. So we have to find out which one of the following mainly helps our body to grow and our muscles to become strong. So this is done by body building food. Okay, and for that we need proteins. So proteins are the bodybuilding food. So correct answer is option A. Got it? Coming to the next question, which one of the following is energy giving food? Options are A, potato, B, bread, C, sweets, D, all the above. So we have to find out which one of the following is energy giving food. Okay, so here potato, it contains carbohydrate, bread, it also contains carbohydrate, and sweets, they also contain. So these are known as, we know carbohydrate gives us energy, right? So these are, all of these are energy giving food. So correct answer is option D, that is all the above. Coming to the next question, dash food mainly protects us from falling sick. Options are A, bodybuilding, B, protective, C, energy giving, D, stale. So, which food mainly protect us from falling sick? So, these are the protective foods. Okay. So, this protective food, they contain vitamins and minerals. Okay, which helps us from falling sick. They increase our immunity also. Okay, and these are found in fruits and vegetables. So here the correct answer is option B. Coming to the next question, which one of the following is a bodybuilding food? Four options are given. In option A, banana is there. B, fish. C, different pulses are there. D, both B and C. So we have to find out which one of the following is bodybuilding food. So bodybuilding food are the foods which contain proteins. Okay, and in fish, in pulses, proteins are present. So here the correct answer is option D, both B and C. Coming to the next question, which one of the following is the staple food of Punjab? Options are A, kadhi pakoda, B, ice cream, C, laddu, D, makki ki roti and sarson ka saag. So, which one of the following is the staple food of Punjab? So, here I think you all must be knowing the answer, right? Yes. So, it is option D, makki ki roti and sarson ka saag. Have you ever tasted it? Yes, I have tasted it. So it is very yummy. So if you have not tasted, you can taste. Okay. So here correct answer is option D. Coming to the next question. Which one of the following seeds do we eat? Options are A, rice, B, maize, C, barley, D, all the above. So which one of the following seeds do we eat? So rice, maize, barley, all are seeds. Got it? So correct answer is option D, that is all the above. Coming to the next question, we should have our meals at dash time. Right? Options are A, right, B, any, C, incorrect, D, healthy. So we should have our meals at right time. Okay, so correct time should be there. It should not happen that we are having our meals at any time, right? So because it will lead to means our health will be affected. Got it? So we should take meals at right time. Got it? So this much for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then, read mindfully, practice all the questions properly. Okay. So meet you soon. Bye bye everyone.